Welcome to our video, The Ultimate Guide to Demat Account, Everything You Need to Know. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of Demat accounts, so you can gather all the information you need to get started. Let's jump right in. So, what is a Demat account? Well, it's a digital form of holding your securities, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. It's like a digital locker that keeps your investments safe and easily accessible. One of the main benefits of a Demat account is that it eliminates the need for physical share certificates. No more worrying about lost or damaged certificates. Opening a Demat account is easy. You'll need to choose a depository participant, commonly known as a broker, who will help you open the account. You'll also need to provide some personal and financial details. Once your account is opened, you can start buying and selling securities. It's that simple. But wait, there's more. With a Demat account, you can also opt for an electronic payment gateway, which allows you to conveniently transfer funds. Now, let's talk about the benefits of a Demat account. Firstly, it offers you easy access to your investments, allowing you to trade anytime and anywhere. It's also a secure way to store your securities, safeguarding them against physical damage or loss. Moreover, a Demat account simplifies the process of tracking your investment portfolio. No more digging through piles of paperwork. Everything is neatly organized in your account. In conclusion, a Demat account is a must-have for anyone looking to invest in the stock market or other securities. Its convenience, security, and ease of use make it an essential tool in the world of investing. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Happy investing!